In this presentation, we'll be discussing the cool season turf grass, perennial ryegrass, or Lolium perenne, and its use on golf courses. Perennial ryegrass is adapted climatically similar to that of Kentucky bluegrass. The green portion of this map showing the adaptation range of perennial ryegrass in the United States is quite similar to Kentucky bluegrass, but perennial ryegrass does not have the cold tolerance that Kentucky bluegrass has. Perennial ryegrass is native to the temperate regions of Asia and North Africa. Appearance-wise, perennial ryegrass looks much like Kentucky bluegrass regarding leaf texture and color. Perennial ryegrass does have a glossy underside on the leaf blade that makes it look rather shiny under the right light conditions. In this picture, perennial ryegrass is the fairway turf on this golf course in South Africa. Perennial ryegrass is used on tees, fairways, and roughs. It is often seeded alone or in a mixture with Kentucky bluegrass. An important attribute of perennial ryegrass is its rapid seed germination. Perennial ryegrass can germinate in 3 to 5 days, the quickest of any of the cool season turf grasses. In comparison, Kentucky bluegrass, which is rather slow, may take 10 to 21 days to germinate. Once germinated, perennial ryegrass has strong seedling vigor and can quickly establish a dense turf. The ability to germinate and establish quickly is a major advantage of perennial ryegrass over Kentucky bluegrass. On fairways and tees, perennial ryegrass tolerates low mowing heights compared to Kentucky bluegrass, as low as a ½ inch. Fertilization for all practical purposes is the same as irrigated Kentucky bluegrass. Generally, tees comprised of perennial ryegrass are mowed at 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. Fairways range between 1/2 to 1 inch. In roughs, maintenance of perennial ryegrass is similar to Kentucky bluegrass. Perennial ryegrass is also used to overseed warm season turf grasses like Bermuda grass during the winter. In the module on warm season turf grasses, there's a presentation on overseeding warm season turf grasses that goes into much more depth. But basically the process is, since warm season turf grasses will go off color or dormant during cool winter temperatures, a cool season turf grass, like perennial ryegrass, can be seeded into the Bermuda grass to give it a green color. You can see here in this picture the contrast between the brown Bermuda grass on the hillside and the green or overseeded area where perennial ryegrass has been used. This concludes this presentation on perennial ryegrass.